Have you ever traveled so far that you forgot what day it was, or even who you were for a moment? That was me. Somewhere above the clouds, halfway across the world, on a flight that felt like it would never end. 32 hours of travel, delays, layovers, cold airport floors. Cold airport floors. At one point, I looked out the window and thought, am I even moving anymore? But I kept going, because I knew something unforgettable was waiting on the other side. When I finally arrived, the air felt different, warmer, heavier, alive.
The streets were buzzing, the lights glowing, and everything felt new.
The next morning, I stepped outside early, before the crowds woke up. I followed the sound of the ocean, and there it was, endless, calm, perfect.
That day, I tried foods I couldn't pronounce, laughed with strangers. This is incredible!
Right? It's the best.
Sometimes, the best moments happen when you stop planning and just experience. A few days later, I took a long boat ride to a small island.
The waves were rough. The sky kept changing.
But then I looked around. The water shimmered like glass. The wind felt fresh. The sun softened everything. I wasn't just traveling to see new places. I was traveling to feel something again. But then, something unexpected happened. My photos were gone. At first, I felt empty, but after sitting with it, those moments were never inside my phone.
We spend so much time trying to capture life.
That we forget to actually live it. Some things are meant to live inside you.
So here's my question for you.
When was the last time you experienced something fully?
Go somewhere new. Try something different.
Get a little lost. Because sometimes losing things is exactly how we find what really matters.
See you in the next adventure.